What shall we talk about, gentlemen?
Hey guys, this is Isaac, and today I have another set review for you. This is the second used set I've reviewed on my channel. The first was a Lone Ranger set, and you can click up here to check that out. Like Lone Ranger set, this is sort of an older set that's been retired that I bought, and this is the box it came in, so I'm going to unbox it, then do a time lapse of me building it, and then I can review it after that and show you all the cool stuff that the set came with. Alright, nicely packaged in Ziploc bags. Looks like we have 6 bags and 2 big booklets of instructions. This is the, what's it called? The Fury class Sith Infiltrator, I think that's what it is. And so this set is like a 2012-ish set that I've liked ever since I learned about it, but it was way past the time to buy it when I learned about it. So I had to buy it used, and that's what this is. So I'm going to start on booklet 1, begin the time lapse. Bag 1 should be the one with the brick separator. This one. Alright, so yeah, let's get started.
Guys, here are the really cool minifigures. We'll start with the Sith Troopers. There are 2 Sith Troopers and they're exactly alike. The reason you probably have not seen these minifigures before is because they're from the expanded universe, which is basically the Star Wars stuff that did not happen in the movies. And this is probably stuff that isn't canon anymore, because Disney wiped the whole thing clean. But these Sith Troopers are really cool. They have a new head mold. Well, not really new. And this is the original clone trooper face they used until they switched to that new one. This is the same thing they used for Lex Luthor a while ago. And they have cool printing on their body and on their back. They don't have any printing on their legs. But they are really cool minifigures. They both have guns. They're both pretty much exactly the same heads. And then Darth Malgus, he is awesome actually. He's like the forerunner of Darth Vader. And let it focus. He's got his yellow Sith eyes. Come on, focus. This camera. Sometimes I just want to hit it. Focus on Darth Malgus. There we go. Yeah, he's got cool Sith eyes and like a scar. His respirator thing, and he's got a mouth underneath that. The respirator is one whole piece as shoulder armor and stuff like that, and it goes over his new cape piece, which is not all that flat. Like I said, this is a used set. He's got printing on his body and on his legs, and a lightsaber.